What is the value of magnetic field intensity used in MAF? A 0.53 Tesla. B 0.60.70 Tesla. C 0.700.90 Tesla. D 0.901.1 Tesla. The correct answer is 0.53 Tesla. What is the value of magnetic pressure used in magnetic abrasive machining? A 0.30 kPa. B 50-100 kPa. C 100-200 kPa. D 200-500 kPa. The correct answer is 0.30 kPa. What is the value of frequency used in magnetic abrasive finishing process? A 110 Hz. B 1225 Hz. C 3050 Hz. D 60-100 Hz. The correct answer is 1225 Hz. Of the following electrolyte removes which of the dissolution products? A metal hydroxides. B heat. C gas bubbles. D all of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Which of the following reactions takes place at the electrodes? A generation of hydrogen. B dissolution of iron. C dissolution of NaCl. D all of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Negatively charged particles anions move towards which electrode? A anode. B cathode. C anode cathode. D none of the mentioned. The correct answer is anode. Positively charged particles cations move towards which electrode? A anode. B cathode. C anode cathode. D none of the mentioned. The correct answer is cathode. Which of the following reaction takes place at anode? A generation of hydrogen. B dissolution of iron. C generation of hydroxyl ions. D none of the mentioned. The correct answer is dissolution of iron. Which of the following reactions take place at cathode? A generation of hydrogen. B dissolution of iron. C dissolution of NaCl. D all of the mentioned. The correct answer is generation of hydrogen. What is the limit of the roller speed used in MAF? A up to 0.5 ms. B up to 1.3 ms. C up to 2.6 ms. D up to 3.3 ms. The correct answer is up to 1.3 ms. State whether the following statement is true or false regarding the theory of ECM. Application of P.D potential difference lead to occurrence of several reactions. A true. B false. C. D. The correct answer is true.